when I first started, I loved woodworking as well. And I love like refurbishing old furniture, woodworking, that kind of stuff. And so basically on the website, I had branded myself in like 3 different categories.
With constant innovation in today's world, how has technology and social media affected your career?
Yeah, so Instagram honestly is a big part of my journey. Instagram is probably one of my favorite platforms, and I definitely would not be on the journey that I am right now if it wasn't for Instagram. To kind of call back to the beginning of when I started, I created my website, and at the time my website was kind of like all over the place. I knew I wanted to do something in this creative field, but I had no idea what it was yet. When I first started, I loved woodworking as well. And I love like refurbishing old furniture, woodworking, that kind of stuff. And so basically on the website, I had branded myself in like 3 different categories. Super confusing. I don't know how anyone ever hired me, but somehow. So basically the first category was like woodworking. I think I called it like creative works. So basically it was like a lot of just cool wood stuff, handcrafted goods, that kind of stuff. I loved doing that. So I put it on my website. And then another thing was typography, which is like a lot of hand lettering, that kind of stuff. I love that. And I kind of just threw everything, all of my design, into this typography, which doesn't really make sense, but I thought it made sense at the time. So I marketed myself as typography, and then also had cinematography is what I call it basically. And that was basically just everything that I did with the camera, I just kind of threw in that category. So basically when someone comes to the website, they could hire me for 3 different things, either woodworking, typography, or cinematography. So it was kind of all over the place. But it's one of those things that I'd recommend for people, is just to kind of, it's one of those things, the more you do, the more you learn about it. So over time, I started to get a little bit more understanding of what it was that I enjoyed doing. And then one day I decided I wanted to start doing Instagram better, under the idea of just kind of creating something every day, even if it sucks. So even if it's something that it's not your best work, just still put it out there and let other people be the judge of it. I think we're our hardest critics at times, and we judge ourselves too hard, where we'll make something like, all right, that's not good enough, I'm just going to hide that under my desk and no one's ever going to see it. Where I don't believe in that. I think you should just put your work out there and let other people be the judge of that. That's kind of how it really started, was just that idea of creating something every day. So that was when I started doing those circle Andrew McMahon drawings and putting those out there every day. And that's really what's grown me to where I am, was just that idea of creating something and letting others kind of judge it. So Instagram has always been a huge, huge walk in my path.
Instagram is very good for a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
All of my music promotion, I do on Instagram. I feel like Instagram is more active than most social media platforms. Great.
Yeah.
Because like Facebook, I don't use it anymore.
Yeah.
I honestly do not check Facebook at all.
Yeah.